When it comes to home remodeling, design, or construction in Fort Lauderdale, finding the right style contractor can make all the difference between a smooth, satisfying experience and a stressful, costly one. Whether you're revamping your kitchen, modernizing your home's exterior, or building a custom property, the style contractor you choose will influence everything, from design aesthetics to quality craftsmanship. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make a confident, informed decision. Identify your style and project goals before reaching out to contractors. Take time to define your project vision. Do you want a sleek modern look, coastal-inspired design, or traditional Fort Lauderdale charm? Having a clear idea of your preferred style will help you find a contractor whose past work aligns with your goals. Gather inspiration from online portfolios, local design magazines, or neighborhood homes you admire. The more specific you are about your preferences, colors, materials, layouts, the easier it will be for a contractor to bring your vision to life accurately. Research local contractors with style expertise. Fort Lauderdale is home to a wide range of contractors, but not all specialize in the same type of design or construction. Search for professionals who have demonstrated experience in your specific project type. For example, luxury coastal remodels. Look for contractors experienced in high-end, weather-resistant materials. Contemporary home upgrades. Focus on firms with strong portfolios in minimalistic or modern architecture. Historic restorations. Choose contractors familiar with preserving traditional South Florida design elements. Check local directories, Google reviews, and the Better Business Bureau for reputable names. Local referrals are especially valuable. Ask neighbors, friends, or real estate agents for recommendations. Review portfolios and past projects. A contractor's portfolio is your best insight into their style range and craftsmanship. Look for consistency in quality and attention to detail. If a contractor's portfolio features homes that match your preferred aesthetic, that's a strong indicator they understand your design language. Ask for before and after photos or, if possible, visit completed projects in person. A good style contractor will also have testimonials or case studies showcasing their process and results. Verify credentials and experience. Don't overlook the basics. Your chosen contractor should be licensed and insured in Florida, experienced in obtaining Fort Lauderdale permits and complying with local building codes, knowledgeable about coastal construction standards, including wind and flood regulations. Confirm their license through the Florida Department of Business and AMP, professional regulation. Contractors who take compliance seriously are more likely to deliver reliable, long-lasting work. Schedule consultations and discuss design ideas. Once you've narrowed your list, set up consultations with 2 or 3 contractors. During your meetings, discuss your design goals, timeline, and budget. A skilled contractor won't just listen. They'll offer design insights and suggest materials that suit your lifestyle and environment. Pay attention to how well they communicate and how clearly they explain the process. A trustworthy style contractor should provide transparent cost breakdowns, realistic timelines, and examples of similar projects they've completed. Evaluate communication and compatibility. Design and remodeling projects are collaborations. The best results come when you and your contractor share mutual trust and open communication. If you feel comfortable discussing ideas, asking questions, and giving feedback, that's a strong sign of a good fit. Choose a contractor who responds promptly to calls and emails, offers design suggestions without dismissing your preferences, provides clear progress updates throughout the project. A strong working relationship ensures fewer surprises and a smoother workflow from start to finish. Review contracts carefully before signing. Go through every detail of the proposal. Ensure the contract includes a detailed project scope, materials and finishes, payment schedule, warranty terms, estimated completion date, A transparent contract protects both parties and sets expectations from day one. Final thoughts. Choosing the right style contractor in Fort Lauderdale isn't just about finding someone who can build. It's about finding a creative partner who understands your vision, respects your budget, and delivers lasting quality. Take your time to research, compare, and communicate clearly. With the right professional by your side, your Fort Lauderdale home project can reflect both your personality and the city's vibrant coastal style.